every videographer's nightmare, and it will happen to you. You're gonna forget something, and it's gonna be one of two things. Because we've all forgotten a lens. Yeah, you can make do without one of your 3 lenses. Oh, you know, the tripod, yeah, you'll just go handheld that whole day. But what will get you one day is forgetting batteries or memory, media cards, memory, whatever you call it. That will ruin your shoot quickly. What you do is you have a fail-safe. You have extra batteries in a completely different case or media in a completely different case. So if you forget those pouches, you still have a backup. It may not be the best media or the best batteries, but you have a fail-safe. So that's my worst nightmare. It happened to me. Terrible day. I'll even be honest, it's happened to me twice. What's happened to you? Leave it in the comments. Let me know what has happened to you. What was your worst nightmare? Subscribe, press that notification bell for more content coming your way.